opening up new demand avenues. Date jams, butters, pastes, and sauces appeal to consumers seeking natural alternatives to sugar and oils in spreads. Date bars, energy balls, granola, and other date-based snacks utilize dates as a key ingredient to give products a distinct flavor and health angle. Meanwhile, date juices, syrups, and infused waters facilitate date consumption and allow for fortification with added nutrients. Health-conscious consumers are driving rapid growth in markets for organic, sugar-free, and high-fiber date products. Demand for organic dates continues to rise as more consumers prioritize reducing pesticide residues in foods. Brix Mode dates bred with significantly lower sugar content but high fiber cater well to diabetic and weight-conscious consumers. Date products fortified with added nutrients like minerals, vitamins, proteins, and prebiotic fibers also appeal to health seekers. Manufacturers are actively innovating with formulations, processing technologies, and fortification strategies in response to these trends. However, disparities in food regulations, certifications, and labeling standards across markets pose obstacles to scaling up production of healthy date products. Changing consumer preferences around naturalness, sustainability, and reduced packaging are opening new avenues for date market growth. Demand for minimally processed dates with no additives, along with organic and fair trade certified options, is on the rise. Proliferation of innovative packaging solutions like resealable pouches, bags, and cartons aimed at reducing plastic waste resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Meanwhile, the clean label trend has spurred the development of date products with simple, wholesome, and recognizable ingredients. Capitalizing on these evolving preferences requires manufacturers and brands to innovate product formulations while improving sustainability and transparency across their value chains. In summary, rapidly transforming consumer needs present both opportunities and challenges for market growth in the date industry. There are abundant possibilities for developing novel, healthy, and sustainably produced date products that meet demands around naturalness, convenience, nutrition, ethical sourcing, and environmental stewardship. However, research and commercialization of advanced processing technologies, effective governance for food safety and standards, as well as responsible business practices will be necessary to fully capture these emerging market opportunities. With aligned effort from all actors across date value chains, from farmers and processors to brand manufacturers and retailers, the substantial potential for expansion in date product markets stands a chance of being sustainably realized to benefit producers, businesses, and consumers alike in the years to come. The market demand for date products has been steadily increasing in recent years, driven by a growing awareness of the health benefits of dates and the increasing popularity of Middle Eastern and North African cuisine. Dates are a rich source of fiber, minerals, and antioxidants, and are widely used in a variety of culinary applications, including snacks, desserts, and baked goods. One of the key drivers of market demand for date products is the increasing interest in healthy and natural foods. Dates are a whole food product that is minimally processed, making them an attractive option for consumers looking for healthy snack alternatives. In addition, the high fiber content of dates makes them a popular ingredient in many diet plans, including vegan and gluten-free diets. Another factor driving market demand for date products is the increasing popularity of Middle Eastern and North African cuisine. Dates are a staple food in many countries in these regions, and are used in a wide range of traditional dishes and desserts.